Would you like to produce custom teamwear here in Vietnam? Today I'm visiting one of many amazing sublimation printing and custom teamwear sewing factories in Vietnam. Come on in and let me show you around. This is their office where they manage details like importing ink, paper, and fabric. Now we're in the graphic design room where the graphic designers will get your artwork, check it, adjust it, and then put it into the markers to try and get the best fabric utilization possible. So all of their printers are large format printers that can print on paper and fabric that's 1.8 meters wide. The average speed is 90 meters per hour, and they use 8 colors instead of 4 to be able to offer a larger color profile that includes neon colors. So they have 3 transfer machines which they calibrate every day. They check the temperature, the pressure, and the alignment of the drum. The goal is to maximize the amount of ink that transfers from the paper to the fabric. And then they do a final inspection, 100%, to check for any problems during the transfer process. After the printing is finished, they invite the customers to come in and inspect the fabric using the 4-point fabric inspection system. Okay, so here we are in their laboratory where they can test many things like color fastness to washing, color migration to heat. They also can test the stretch and recovery. And of course, they have a light box where they can check the strike-offs against color standards like Pantone. When it comes to sewing, they're very versatile. They can do custom teamwear, they can do surf shorts, and they can do camouflage jackets. They work on CMT, FOB, or LDB terms. My name is Chris, and I've been living here in Vietnam working in the apparel manufacturing business for 14 years. How about you? Are you a player, a coach, a team owner, or a team dealer? Can you see how moving production to Vietnam can help you grow your business? When is a good time to get price quotes and samples from Vietnam to compare to your production in, say, China or Pakistan? When is a good time to join my weekly Q&A Zoom call? Every Friday at 10 p.m. Vietnam time, I answer questions for people who join the call. Sign up now or hire me and my team. We can introduce you directly to factories, we can take you on factory tours, and we can develop your sample from scratch. Thanks for listening, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.